Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can send money from Coinbase to PayPal. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Coinbase. Once you're here, go ahead and tap on your profile at the top right corner. So once you click on that one, you will see here. So you click on the settings, and in here, as you can see in the payment methods, in here you will just click this one, and once you click that one, you will see here a bunch of payment methods that I have added. So since we're adding PayPal, since we're going to transfer money to PayPal, we're going to add a payment method. So you click on that one. And as you can see in here, we have here the PayPal. So this is for withdrawals only. So we click on that one to link it, and you will be redirected to this page where you have to log in with PayPal. So you put here your email and password, and then you just have to click on login. And in here, you just have to agree with the terms and conditions. You click on that one, and you will be asked to enter the two-step verification code sent to your authenticator app. So you just have to put here and then tap on verify. And there we have it. We have linked our PayPal to Coinbase. So you click on done, and then you just go ahead and go to the asset in here, and then to be able to send money to PayPal, we first have to sell our crypto. So I'm gonna click on this buy/sell, and in here you click on the sell section, and in this example, I'm gonna be selling Bitcoin, so you can just choose any crypto that you have. And then for this section, we're gonna click on this one, and I want the money to be sent to my PayPal. So once it's sold, the money will be redirected to the PayPal, or we'll automatically go to PayPal. So I'm gonna click on PayPal, and you just have to type in here the amount that you're going to be selling. So I'm just gonna tap on sell all, and once I tap on sell all, it will automatically put here the amount that you have, and then you just have to tap on sell Bitcoin and tap on sell now. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.